Good morning from the first morning in Laos. We got up early to watch sunrise. Yeah, I'm surprised myself.
Yeah.
I only had 5 hours of sleep. And I hope we're gonna see something and it's worth it. That's what it looks like now.
The sunrise was excellent.
It was
Just
still
kidding.
nice. It was just not worth to call it sunrise.
Yeah.
Now having breakfast and then we're taking a tuk-tuk to the boat. You're gonna see us on the tuk-tuk. Okay, let's go. Okay, we arrived here. So we're hopping in one of these boats over there. Then we're driving over the Mekong for 2 days. One day 6 hours, one day 8 hours. And then we arrive in Luang Prabang. That's the engine on the boat. Yeah. In the bathroom. But I have like a stove and a cooking place. And that's the view from the back. Let's go back. We're starting finally.
We were in the boat for an hour. So yeah, we're leaving now. The boat stopped to give us some content, which is the competition of paddling board.
We arrived in PakBeng. I don't know what's going on, but something is going on over here. We don't know where we're gonna sleep this night. We have to figure it out. I think we're gonna stay with our group. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm fully rigged now. Looks like it's leg day. We're coming from the most idyllic experience on the Mekong on a silent boat. Very nice. And now it's just like crowded and loud and wild. Wild!
And they were like, the girls like, yeah, you can't have one. So we opened, there were like 3 people were like, and then she gave me the other key and I just placed it back. We opened the other one. They were like,
Got a room! Let's go! So we have a room. Now it's time to maybe catch sunrise and find some food maybe. Let's see what we get. We're coming on the right day. The only ATM in town. Okay, the sunset was less successful, so we're just gonna try to get some dinner here.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Okay, we found a restaurant which has vegan food, with a surprise, an Indian restaurant.
And Julian got diet Coke.
Excuse me. So, we go to bed soon, hopefully early. Have a rest day. Bye-bye.